happening, guys. My cat's very unhappy. My dogs are very unhappy. I'm very unhappy. Willow, it's okay. We got an email the other day. That they were doing like fire alarm and sprinkler inspections at my apartment. And they said, obviously you're required to let them in, clearly. They said secure your animals. But they also said it was on Monday and Tuesday and gave no time frame at all. So I emailed them and I said, hey, like, I have 3 animals, one of which has just crippling fear of loud noises. So I can't leave her in the apartment while the fire alarms are going off, because honestly, that would just be torture for her. And that's not fair. So I emailed that, and I said also, I'm not quite sure how my other dog will respond to strangers coming into the apartment. So I need to remove my animals from the apartment for everybody's peace of mind and safety. So could you at least give me a start and end time? You know, like, we're gonna start about this time, end at about this time, so that I have any idea how long I need to be gone for. And she replied to me and said, we're not setting up appointments. Girl, I didn't ask for an appointment. I asked for a start and an end time. Then I responded and said, hey, okay, I will make sure to be gone between 8 a.m. and 7 p.m. Because outside of those hours, it would just be ridiculous for them to be doing fire alarm inspections, right? To me, at least, that seems reasonable. I will not be home. My boyfriend will not be home because he has a job. So, with that being said, do you need me to leave the apartment unlocked so that you guys can let yourselves in? Or do you have a key that you are willing to use to let yourself into my apartment as long as I, like, say, like, it's cool? Because, like, that's cool with me. Use your own key. And she replied to my email and said, don't leave your apartment unlocked. It's unsafe. Okay, great. So you're going to use your key? Like, she never responded to my last email that was like, you're not really giving me any sort of helpful, like, definitive information. You're just giving me short sentence answers that provide nothing to this conversation. So long story short, I'm sitting in David's car. David is working from home because I didn't know what else to do. She wouldn't give me any sort of information. So he's working from home so that if they knock on the door to get in, he can let them in. I'm sitting in the car with 2 dogs and a cat for an unknown amount of time. Oh, Willow, I feel you. Me too. Anyway, I figured no better time than now than to say welcome to the vlog. So when I came back inside, I decided I wanted to try and make homemade chocolate. One of my favorite YouTube channels is Sailing the Vagabond, and Elena makes homemade dark chocolate. Never been a dark chocolate fan, but it is significantly better for you. So I've decided I'm going to take her chocolate recipe, try and make my own chocolate at home, and see if I can, like, train myself slowly to like dark chocolate. But before I let myself do that, I'm gonna make myself do all of these dishes.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make...
I don't think I mixed it well enough. I'm not mad. The ones with the peanut butter, I tried to take one out and it was still super soft. So we're gonna wait. Well, guys, I got back at about 8 a.m. from dropping David off at the airport. He's going on a work trip to somewhere warmer than here. He's going to be gone for about 3 days. So I got home. I laid in bed for a second more. Nova's back to having the poops, which this time, I don't even know why. Couldn't tell you if she ate anything weird. I didn't give her anything. She hasn't chewed up anything in the house recently. So this one, I don't know. Made some caffeine. I scheduled an oil change. I called my phone carrier people and canceled some stuff that I didn't need. The other thing I want to get done, reorganize the cabinets in here to try and get some of the stuff out of the pantry. I've done the dishes, so I'm waiting for them to dry. But we're about to tackle this kitchen because I hate absolutely everything about it. from running errands. I got the oil changed in the Jeep. I dropped off all of my clothes donations at Goodwill. I went to Target and got stuff for David's Valentine's Day gift. And I went to Starbucks with the intention of editing this video. But I forgot a C2C cord, so I couldn't edit it. So I just kind of hung out there for a little while just to be out of the house. I would show you what I got David for his Valentine's Day stuff, but he watches the vlogs, so I can't show you. I got his like bigger present already because I had to order it because it was customized. But I have to hide all this stuff until Valentine's Day. We're going to take the dogs out here in like, dang, it's only 1:30. We're gonna take the dogs out in a couple hours. So I'll probably, I don't know, do I start editing? Do I continue to clean? The dogs have pretty much ripped off the, oh, you can't see it. Scout has done a number on the window cover thingies. So I'll probably have to put that back up. Well guys, I'm out with Scout. Nova was just out. These kids sprinted around the dog park, so she chased them. And now she's exhausted. That's all I got for this one. Sorry it took me so long. Of course, something else weird happened and I erased a video, so I had to start over, so this one's late, but we'll get better. Practice.